Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see different options to fix the Roblox error that contains the message, "An error occurred while starting Roblox." Chapter 1. How to fix Roblox error from CMD. To get started, click on the Start menu and enter the word CMD. In the results, you will click on Run as Administrator on the CMD console. In the console that opens, you will execute the command you see on the screen. Then press the Enter key to confirm that command. Lastly, you can open Roblox to verify that it is now accessed normally. Chapter 2. How to fix Roblox error by reinstalling Roblox. To start, you will click on the Start menu and click on Settings. After this, you will click on Applications. In the various options, you will click on Apps and Features. Search for Roblox Player. Once you find it, you must click on its context menu, and there you will choose the Uninstall option. A new window will open. You must click Uninstall again for this process to start. Wait for Roblox to be completely uninstalled from your PC. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now you are going to go to the official Roblox page. The link will be left in the description of the video. There you will click on any game and then click on the play icon. After that, you will see a pop-up window, and in it you will click on Download and install Roblox. You must wait for the file to be downloaded. After this, you will run the downloaded file. The installation wizard opens. It remains only to wait for the installation of Roblox on the PC to be completed. Lastly, you can open Roblox to verify that it is now accessed normally. Chapter 3. How to fix Roblox error by checking compatibility. To use this method, you must right-click on the Roblox shortcut on the desktop. There you will select the Properties option. You're going to head to the Compatibility tab. In it, you will find some options. You will click on Run the Compatibility Troubleshooter. The wizard that opens will analyze the possible causes why Roblox does not open. You will be presented with some options. You can click on them and then perform the validation that the program works correctly. Complete the process and you will have a summary of the solution that has been offered. Lastly, you can open Roblox to verify that it is now accessed normally. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.